Okay, so now we will see how to install all the prerequisites for Align. So go to your browser and type GitHub. So click on the first link and then go to search or jump to and type syedimaduddin slash ms vsd 4-bit uc. So click on the link and open the week 1 folder. So in this you have to go to readme, and here you will find the installation guide for Oracle VirtualBox and Ubuntu and all the required tools like Magic, ngSpice, NetGen, AccessCam and OpenPDKs. So here is the download link for the Ubuntu and VirtualBox, and below that we have installation for Magic. You have to open your terminal and type these commands like sudo apt update and these. And in last there is dot configure, and then make file, and then you have to type make it sudo make install, and then there is ngSpice. Same you have to do with ngSpice, and then netgen, accesscam and open pdks. You have to just type these commands in your terminal, and it will install all the prerequisites for Align. Here is the open pdk's link, github link. So now, and the this is the verifying your open pdks. You have to copy these xscam rc file and dot spice init file and magic rc file in the corresponding folders of xscam, magic and netgen. So that's all. You have to install all these files from this these commands written on the github. You will find these on the my github. Okay, that's all.